Hello kitty fans, today we will be reviewing the Instinct Raw Brand Ultimate Protein for cats. It is cage free, if you can see the packaging. Hi! It's grain free. Oh, they can't wait to get in it. I've never seen them like this before. It's cage free chicken recipe for cats and adults for all life stages, and it's grain free. 95% of protein. They are just having their way with this. I have never seen them so excited to try a new food before. Nature's Variety. Beautiful gold packaging on this. 95% of protein from real chicken. Each piece has a raw coating on it. This is what the back looks like. More real chicken. Hey, they're really getting crazy and they want to try this food. And Karma in the back here doesn't like any other cats, but she's really, really hungry right now. There's the actual size of the kibble. Made without grain, corn, wheat, soy, byproduct, or animal meal. No potatoes, no artificial colors or preservatives. It says 1 million meals. Okay, and go on the side here with the nutritional information. Zoom in so you can see that. Transitioning your cat. The weight on here per kitty. They cannot wait to get in this. Crude protein is 47%. That's the highest I've ever seen. Crude fat, 17%. And she cannot wait to get in here. Taurine is 15. Okay, without further ado, I will open the bag. It comes with a resealable Ziploc seal on here, which I really, really like. Beautiful cat on the packaging. Without further ado, let's open this and see if our kitties go for this. Alrighty, I filled each one of their bowls. They all seem to be going for it. This is what the kibble looks like. Just smaller round pieces, flat pieces, easy for them to chew. And it looks like I need to get more bowls out because we got more cats coming in to eat. Let me get another. Okay, looks like all my Bengals are loving this, even fighting over it, some of them. Looks like we got happy Bengals here. And this is in the 2.2 pound bag. I got the smaller bag to try. Actually, no, it's 1.8 pounds. See, right there. 1.8. It has all 5-star reviews, so I decided to try it on my picky Bengal cats. And some of them are less picky than others, but I've tried many foods, and this is one that looks like they just are devouring. And this is, again, the cage-free chicken recipe with the ultimate protein. Karma, now you have your own bowl. Some of them I might have to feed separately. Some of them I usually do feed separately. They are chowing down. How you like it, Flawless? I think Flawless agrees that it's really yummy. How you doing, Blue? Blue's loving it. Blue, our seal, our snow Bengal, and we have Karma, who is really loving it. And then we have Luna over here. And I think the kitten has already had hers, and the kitten is playing. There you go. Some more. And there's Miss Pandora. Okay, I'll put a link down in the description where to buy this food. And yeah, it comes in bigger bags as well. I think it comes in 3 different sizes. And we just got the small bag. Like I said, we wanted to try it and make sure they liked it. And it looks like I'll be buying the bigger bag next time we go to PetSmart. Oh, guys. I've never seen them this excited about a new food before. Okay, I'll do another video and follow up on this food and let you know how well we like it. And for now, we will catch you later on our next video. Please like, follow, and share if you liked the video. And comment down below if you would like to see more videos like this. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Instinct Raw. Have a great afternoon.